In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare Systeme.io and GoHighLevel. If you're trying to decide between these two platforms for your business, it's important to understand the key differences and features each one offers. Let's dive in and explore what each platform brings to the table. First, let's talk about GoHighLevel. To get started with GoHighLevel, you'll need to visit their website. One thing to note right off the bat is that while GoHighLevel does offer a free trial, it requires you to provide credit card details to access it. This is something to consider if you're cautious about sharing your payment information up front. GoHighLevel is known for its comprehensive suite of tools tailored for marketing agencies. It provides features such as CRM capabilities, email marketing, and pipeline management, making it a robust choice for those looking to manage client interactions and marketing efforts in one place. Now, let's shift our focus to Systeme.io. To explore what this platform has to offer, head over to their dashboard. A significant advantage of Systeme.io is that it offers a free trial without needing any credit card information. This can be a great way to explore and test out the platform without any financial commitment. Systeme.io is particularly appealing for solo entrepreneurs or small businesses due to its simplicity and affordability. It offers tools for sales funnels, email marketing, and membership site management, all integrated into a single platform. This can be a great choice if you're looking for an all-in-one solution without the complex overhead. When comparing these two platforms, consider your specific needs. If you're running a larger operation or working within a marketing agency, GoHighLevel's more advanced CRM and client management tools might be appealing. However, if you're just starting out or prefer a straightforward budget-friendly option, Systeme.io might be the better fit for you. Each platform has its own strengths, and the choice ultimately depends on the specific requirements and goals of your business. Take advantage of the free trials offered by both platforms to get a hands-on feel for their features and user interface. This will help you make a more informed decision. I hope this comparison helps you in deciding which platform aligns best with your business needs. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore both Systeme.io and GoHighLevel to see which one fits your needs best. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care.